This is our lovely 2013 Vauxhall Cascada. It's a 2 litre CDTI SE, 165 brake horsepower, 55 plus miles to the gallon, cheap road tax. Comes finished in this lovely metallic grey. It's been upgraded with the rear parking sensors, multi-spoke alloy wheels, chrome trims. Car's done 49,000 miles with a full Vauxhall service history. The interior is trimmed with these lovely imprinted grey seats with white stitching. Isofix child seat anchor points on the rear seats. Car comes with electric windows, power adjustable mirrors. It has the multifunction steering wheel with cruise control, audio controls and telephone control. It has the carbon fibre effect centre console, radio CD player with Bluetooth telephone connection, air conditioning and USB connection. Roof operation is quick and easy. It's one switch. This car's been fitted with the black hood, which is in excellent condition. We have 2 keys for the car and full service history. On delivery, the car will be serviced. Have full 12 months MOT, gold cover warranty, which is extendable upon request. Part exchange available, finance packages available. Full details of all our finance packages can be found on our website with a handy payment calculator. For any further questions, please call our sales team on 01670 511 064.